that thickness.
Hey guys, it's Emma. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you should subscribe, and if not, welcome back. I felt so professional. Oh my god. Okay. This is going to be such a fun weekend. I am so excited for it. I haven't had a weekend like this in such a long time. I'm going with Ella's family to the beach, and we're going to meet up with Nick and Cole. Today is Friday, and this is the start of this fun weekend. So today we're going to the beach. Tomorrow we're going over to Nick's house, and I think 2 of our friends who are also in our group are coming. And Sunday I'm leaving for the Cape. So this week is just going to be really fun. I just wanted to quickly sit down and explain what's happening because I don't know if I'll be able to talk a lot or a lot of it will just be montages. I'm just going to film what I can, and hopefully this is a fun video for you guys. Subscribe if you haven't already, like the video, and let's get on to it.
Nick, we gotta wait another 8 minutes.
There we go. Cole's gonna run.
Get in the hole now. And then we're all gonna bury you. Get in the hole. How do you get in the hole?
Lay down.
Lay down.
Just like jump in.
Push through them. They won't mind.
There you go. Oh.
That's good enough. Wait.
Wait. Put your head down.
Put your knees in so you fit.
Grab a towel.
Yeah, you gotta
Like that. Now take the outside sand and put water in it so that it's firm.
You didn't even need to do that. That makes it worse.
His knees aren't down.
Just throwing it at me. His knees are.
You ready, man?
Yeah, baby.
That doesn't accomplish anything.
That's just mud.
Ben, smile.
Why?
Really cool.
Smile. You can see some shoulder.
I tell you, we need water for that.
Oh.
Hey, no!
Oh, that hard word.
So I'm holding the boys' stuff. I kind of look cute with the bucket hat though.
Move up a bit, move up a bit. You can see everybody. Ben, no, Ben! No! Next. Cut it out. You posted Emma's already. It's fine. You don't need to post.
I gotta tell my bestie, someone call my bestie, think I found my bestie.
Wow. That was a 10. Brooke, do this finish her.
I'm smiling, but you can't really see because of the mask.
Copyright.
They don't make money anyway.
Get a ball. You need a ball. Get a ball.
Let's come back.
Nick, get a ball. Go.
Whoa!
They just want to play catch. No, they don't. They want.
Oh, there's another one.
Get a ball. Go, 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 go.
Oh.
Oh, did you see it swoop down? Oh my god.
No.
It swooped down.
Oh my god. I don't know why now. That scare me. Whoa.
Do it again.
They're like dolphins.
I'm gonna go try.
It's not gonna do anything.
So there's bats, and the boys are trying to get them to swoop down by throwing balls at them. This is interesting.
Ellie, he's gonna hit you.
Its name's Rat and Tat.
What?
Rat and Tat.
Oh my god, Emma!
It's a dog.
Just scared the
Come in the ball.
No.
It came too close.
Oh.
We showed Ella what a bat looks like up close, and now she's afraid.
It's kind of
Right
cute
there.
from a distance, like a little. Like imagine having a cute face. We get a 10. It does have a cute face.
What's up with you and rating everything a 10?
Everything's a 10.
So I haven't filmed much tonight, but we're making cloud bread. Tyler and I are playing this like clicking thing to try to see who can click faster.
It's getting there. Keep going. Thanks.
It's like an eighth of the way there.
will work. You want to try, Cole? Go.
You went like that.
Go, go, go. No, I don't need your judgment. You're going too slow. Never mind, Cole. Thank you for your support. See, I see that thickness. The velocity is changing.
So cute.
Whoa, we're good. Pop that thing in for 25 minutes.
25?
Why is there there's stuff in here?
Oh my god, it's gonna be hot.
Nick, get it out, get it out.
Dude, those things are masked. Oh.
You're so grumpy.
Well, it's like you expect me to go in there, get him out. What do you want?
Why are they like dented?
That's what I mean, dude.
I bet that they went in perfectly flat.
It's hurting my hand. Jeez.
Can somebody set a timer for 25 minutes? Thank you. So bad.
This is.
Thank you, Nick. Very
That's
supportive.
nasty.
Everybody has to take a bite.
I'm not eating that.
That's it's like wet in the inside.
Oh, you wanted to eat it.
That's nasty.
Okay, guys, taste test.
It's
Make
like
Cole
a wet
eat it.
sponge.
Just make Cole eat it. It smells like raw egg.
You have to.
Is it good?
It tastes like a scrambled egg.
That's what everyone was saying. That's so.
It's literally an egg.
That's so
Try
good.
it.
That's
That's egg.
disgusting.
It's
Try it.
egg. It's just egg. Pull a little piece out and bite it. It's like egg. It's egg. It's straight egg. Just bite that. It's egg. It's egg.
Emma, you like it.
I'm
Try it,
good.
try
I'm
it.
good.
Put ketchup on that.
Emma, you like eggs.
Yo,
Try
that's
it.
nasty. Try it.
Oh, why
Just
is it?
lick
I
it,
hate
just
that
lick it.
texture. That's disgusting.
okay.
If Cole eats it, I'll eat it.
Cole, come here. It's
Cole,
like it
eat
just
it,
tastes like an
please.
egg.
Well, I want to see it. Cole eat it first before
Just
before
lick
I
it.
decide if I
Just
eat it
lick
or
it.
not.
Yeah, pull a piece of that
pull
out.
it.
Trust me. No, pull that part. That part. Try it. Just try it. Just bite it. Just lick it. Lick it. Just lick it.
Just lick it,
Just lick it.
Cole.
Don't bite. Don't swallow it. Spit that shit out.
He doesn't mind it.
Do you think it's good?
It's not even that bad.
He ate it when it was raw, so I mean it's the same thing.
You did?
Yeah.
Yeah, he did. Does it taste like an egg?
I kind of like it.
It literally tastes like just. Do you know when your egg touches like your French toast? That's what it tastes
Yes.
like. The texture that makes me so
That's
uncomfortable.
nasty.
Mmm, delicious.
It's like lingering in my mouth. Like, or I taste is so
It's
disgusting.
like
You can smell
You're
it.
right though. It's like if you like that one piece of egg that you're something like syrup on, it's like touching the French toast.
That's so nasty.
Or it's more like the French toast covered in eggs.
Yeah.
Is that going on the picture wall? Oh, no, it's a video. I was true.
It's a video wall.
Bye, Nick. Thank you. Where's my sweatshirt?